July 1st. What kind of greeting is that?
You gotta excuse the guys, you know. It's the month before Christmas, a very tense time. They get jumpy, you know. They gotta make sure nothing happens to me, you know.
To them, maybe I could do something to say.
Oh, just let it go, Fred. It won't happen again. They won't do it again.
Gotta put this on the leash, Ned.
I got you. I'm on top of it. Jason. Oh, hey, you remember Annette? Say hey to Annette.
Now, you didn't have to go get all gussied up on my account.
Ah, that last Cynthia Jones was a bit of yours.
Oh, that's making sure I'm here for you guys. We can't do enough for you.
Oh, really? Because I thought you were here to take advantage of your roaming brother again.
Okay. Families together again. Fun. Hey, Fred, I've already made your sleeping arrangements for you. I have put you with
Well, here we are. Oh, watch your head there. Come on in. Here it is. What do you think?
Smurfy. Very Smurfy.
To be honest, I don't get many hassles. I don't think anyone slept in that top bunk for 100 years.
Billy, thank you for having me.
Hey, Fred. You sure you wouldn't be more comfortable down here on the bottom?
I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference, Billy.
Okay. Good night, Fred.
Good night. Billy, just for the record, I'm not really a morning person.
Oh, well, Santa did ask me to give you a full orientation of the gift-giving process, so, we better get a move on here. Here it is. Santa's workshop. It all starts with a kid and a letter. All over the world, children are writing to Santa, asking for what they want for Christmas.
Dear Santa, all I want for Christmas is an orange bicycle with banana handlebars.
All the kids' letters come here to the North Pole Post Office, the busiest in the whole world. Once they're sorted, the letters come straight to the toy factory.
Orange bicycle for Molly Jordan.
Each and every toy that a child asks for is handmade by the elves.